Nakorasi kaunti ya Nyamira ni gomoroberio yo okorekana ase chiabisi chebunge ya West Mugirango yoragwa no Solicitor General imeyense ya Kenya Omoske Shadrack Mose oyobo igote biruna moroberio iga ni gorengete gochia kubasira basae balia baikire myaka 15 wikimyaka 29 nabo igo balia bare no bolema goswali menyete no bolema na gochakera emyaka 15 gwika emyaka 35 Fadgad Gesemba ni igo atumanya
Ase umoroberio oyo orawa no Solicitor General imeyensi ya Kenya Omoske Shadrack John Mose imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo urenekirenga kewocha kubakonya abasae 52 kurwakera ewodi.
The project is a landmark initiative by the government of Kenya aimed at transforming the livelihoods of the vulnerable youth. Over the next 5 years, Nyota will create employment opportunities, enhance income generation, promote savings among the youth population. The project is designed to unlock the vast potential of our youth by equipping them with practical skills, business support, access to opportunities that elevate them from job seekers to job creators.
Abasae abo barache kokonyeka inkurwa emyaka 15 goika emyaka 29 nabo igo asibaria bare no barema inkurwa emyaka 13 goika emyaka 35 asabu boigo barache gochorwa nigo baguchia konyora amaigerio na magega ya maigerio ayo nigo barache koewa chishiringi chiribu 50 ekyo barache gokorera
As the youth, it's their time to dream, it's their time to act, and it's their time to build. The government has created the platform. Now we can count on your energy, innovation, and commitment to make the most of it. Whether you are interested in agribusiness, digital entrepreneurship, vocational skills, or micro enterprises, this project is tailored to meet your ambitions. I urge you to seize this opportunity with both hands. As leaders today, and if you look at administrations that are in there, this is an administration that is purposive, that has focused on ensuring that we empower our youth.
Kukwana chingaki cho wasiori omoroberio oyoiga imeye bunge ya West Mugirango oyo orengete gocha kubakonya abasae omanyikaine buna Nyota nigo boigo orengete gocha kubasira abasae anene baria bagokora chigasi cha maboko na batabwati amasomo aigoro.
Then after we have done that, we link these youth to the markets. Because now we'll show them how to develop a business idea and do all that planning and also know about what business ideas they have. We'll support them, and that's why we are supporting them with that 50,000 now to start them off as a seed capital to start off that.
Hingo ripota Getembe koro igasi chiabisi cha CDF imeye bunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira. Inje Fadgad Gesemba.